What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as Pigcoin. So if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, because it's a perfect idea. You will be updated with upcoming news also, and best project that I promote in the future. So here's the detail given, and please don't miss any part of this project, because in next 10 minutes I will guide you how you can join that, how you can buy Pigcoin. So each and everything is mentioned here. You can see on the CoinGecko, and more information you can get from here. So wait a minute, I will show you the white paper, and here you can see the Telegram, and if you have any question you can join their community and you will be updated with upcoming news also regarding this platform. So let's see on CoinGecko, and let me tell you that you can see here on Gate.io. So first we'll check it out, its price. Here you can see at the moment a Pigcoin price is 0.000168. So it's a perfect idea to buy right now, because it's quite acceptable, and after the bull run you can achieve massive if you join that. So this is the detail about its listing. So here you can see the Gate.io startup free offering and Pigcoin, you can see here, and announcement of free distribution rules. So here's the information given how you can get free, and all the detail will be mentioned, and here you can see you can click on that and you can get more information about that. So token information, here you can see token name is Pigcoin and token symbol Pigcoin, and next you can see maximum supply is 300000000, and token type is Matic, and address is available, so you can get the address also. So if you scroll down a bit, so more information is available here. So token distribution ratio is unlock rules, so you can understand about the rules and regulations. It's very important to understand about that. So next website is available, so you can get more information. When you click on that, you can get more idea about this platform. So once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber and investor community that it's very important to study the project, and if you think it's perfect for you, so you can join that. But my responsibility is to promote one of the most top listed projects on my channel that can give you a huge amount of response in future. So I hope so, as things are moving and market is pumping up, so it's a perfect idea to jump in and buy Pigcoin, and I'm sure it can achieve the place it deserves. So wish you best of luck about this platform. So next guys, all details are mentioned, so each and everything you can verify from here. So I already told you that you can get the information on Gate.io. After that you can click here and let's check out the price. You can easily check the price on CoinGecko. So next we will check the price on more information is given here. So wait a minute, I will show you the details about that. So here's the white paper. It's very important to study the white paper, because white paper is the backbone of any project. So you have to study the white paper, and when you study the white paper you will be satisfied to see all the details regarding the platform. So here it is. So when you click on that, you will get more information regarding this. Okay, I will post all the links in description. If you have any question, you can click on the links and get more details about that. So it's a perfect idea to study the platform, and after that, if you think it's perfect, so you can join, and I'm sure you can get more reward from here. So details are available, each and everything is mentioned, and I think you need not worry about anything. So here's a detail about Twitter. So let's discuss how much information is here on Twitter regarding this platform. So we have to wait until it's open. So these are the links. It's very important, and once again I'm requesting to all subscriber and investor community, please join the links, because it's very important to join the links, and when you join the links you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news also. So it's a perfect idea to join their community, and I'm sure you will get more information regarding this platform. So I provide you all the detail, and if there is something missing, so you can join me in the comment section, even you can join their community and you will be updated with all the details. So here is Twitter. So let's see how much community they have and what kind of potential, what kind of information on the Twitter they have added. So we will see all the details here. So this was the information that I provide you. I'm sure you will be satisfied to see all the details regarding that. And once again, I'm telling you that if there is something missing, so you can join me in the comment section, and you'll be updated with upcoming news regarding this platform. So I will post all the links in description, and you can check it out from here. So this is all over, and we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.